Mind mapping is a powerful tool for project management that helps you visualize and organize your ideas. It allows you to create a visual representation of the project, making it easier to understand and communicate with others. With mind mapping, you can break down complex projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes it easier to track progress and identify areas where you may need to make adjustments. To create a mind map for your project, start by identifying the main goal or objective. This will be the central idea of your mind map. From there, add branches for each of the major tasks or components of the project. As you add branches, you can also include sub-branches to break down each task into smaller, more specific steps. This will help you stay organized and focused throughout the project. One of the biggest benefits of using mind maps for project management is the ability to collaborate with others. You can easily share your mind map with team members, allowing everyone to contribute their own ideas and insights. By working together on the mind map, you can ensure that everyone is on the same page and that all aspects of the project are being addressed. This can lead to better communication, increased efficiency, and ultimately, a more successful project. In addition to organizing tasks and components, mind maps can also be used for time management. By assigning deadlines and prioritizing tasks within the mind map, you can ensure that you are staying on track and meeting important milestones. You can also use the mind map to identify potential roadblocks or areas where you may need to adjust your timeline. This can help you avoid delays and keep the project moving forward smoothly. Another benefit of using mind maps for project management is the ability to track progress. As you complete each task or milestone, you can update the mind map to reflect your progress. This can help you identify areas where you may be falling behind or where you are ahead of schedule. By tracking progress in real time, you can make adjustments as needed and ensure that the project stays on track towards completion. In conclusion, mind mapping is a valuable tool for project management that can help you stay organized, collaborate with others, manage time, and track progress. By harnessing the power of mind maps, you can increase efficiency, improve communication, and ultimately, achieve greater success in your projects. Whether you are managing a large-scale project or a small personal endeavor, mind mapping can help you stay focused, motivated, and on track towards achieving your goals. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.